Devi Yadav, class 12th bio subject. Today I am going to discuss about our topic is the mega sporogenesis. Yesterday I have discussed about the structure of the ovules. Means inside the ovules as a mass of cells known as nucleus. Nucleus undergo meiotic division and form as a particular cells known as MMC, megaspore mother cells. This megaspore mother cells undergo meiotic division and form 1, 2 cells. 1 and 2 cells. 1, 2 cells. And further, these megaspores mother cells nucleus further divide meiotic division and form to megaspore tetrad 1, 2, 3 and 4. सबसे पहले ओव्यूल के अंदर एक विशिष्ट प्रकार का पैरेन्काइमेटस सेल्स होती हैं जिनको न्यूसेलस कहते हैं। इन्हीं न्यूसेलस सेल्स में से ये डिफरेंशिएट होकर के एक विशिष्ट सेल का निर्माण होता है जिनको मेगास्पोर मदर सेल्स कहते हैं। इन मेगास्पोर मदर सेल्स का न्यूक्लियस जो है ये डिवाइड होकर के अंडरगो माइटोटिक डिवीजन होता है जिससे 2 स्पोर्स बनते हैं और फर्दर ये 2 स्पोर्स फर्दर अंडरगो माइटोटिक डिवीजन एंड फॉर्म मेगास्पोर टेट्राड। इस तरह से 1, 2, 3 और 4 ये 4 मेगास्पोर टेट्राड बनते हैं। आफ्टर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द मेगास्पोर टेट्राड देयर आर 3, दिस इज ये 3 मेगास्पोर्स हैव डिजेनरेट, ये नष्ट हो जाते हैं और 1 इज बिकम फंक्शनल। द फंक्शनल मेगास्पोर्स undergo mitotic division and divide 1 and 2 nucleus, ये 1 and 2 nucleus, and they migrate opposite pole of the embryo sac. In this way, as a 2-celled embryo sac formation takes place. These two nucleus further sequential division takes place, mitotic sequential division takes place and form 2 to 4, 4 to 8, or after the formation 8 nucleus, the 3 nucleus migrate opposite pole. 3 nucleus migrate opposite poles. One is the chalazial pole and second is the micropylar end. At the chalazial end, the 3 nucleus that differentiate into antipodal cells, and micropylar region, the 3 cells differentiate into 1 egg cells and 2 synergids. And in central cells, there is no cell wall formation takes place around the polar nuclei or that are located into the middle portion of the central cells. After formation of the 8th stage of the nucleus, as a cell wall formation takes place, antipodal cells surrounded by as a cell wall and synergids also surrounded by cell wall, and a particular cell known as egg cells also surrounded by cell walls. And in this way 6 cells are organized as in the form of cell, means surrounded by the cell wall, and in middle portion means central cell, polar nuclei that is not surrounded by any cell wall, and it is diploid structure known as polar polar nuclei. And in chalazial region, 3 cells that organized with cell wall, it is known as antipodal cell. And inside the synergids, as a thickening, cellular thickening, that differentiate into as a particular structure known as filiform apparatus. In this way, this filiform apparatus help in guide to the entry of the pollen tube into the embryo sac. In this way, as a mature angiospermic embryo sac formation takes place, or this embryo sac is known as female gametophyte of the angiospermic plants. At maturity, a typical angiospermic plant, angiospermic embryo sac, has 3 antipodal cells and 1 egg cells and 2 synergids. Egg cell and 2 synergids that commonly together known as egg apparatus. In this way, female gametophyte formation takes place. फिर से देखिए, our topic is the mega sporozoa.